Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. In this video I'm going to show you how to remove and reinstall a front window switch in this 2012 Ford Escape. If you need parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. There's a little cover that's right here. We're just going to remove that. Use a little pick tool, slide underneath here, pull it up. Next is a screw down here. Just going to use a Phillips head screwdriver. Take this screw out. Take that screw out. So I'm going to take a trim tool. Now normally you pry underneath here, pry up here, and then pry up here. This vehicle has two clips, right here and right here. And on this vehicle these clips are broken, so normally you would have to struggle a little bit more to get this piece off, but just keep in mind this goes straight up. Take those clips off. I can disconnect the electrical connectors right here. Just push on this tab, slide it out. Push on this tab, slide it out. All right, now to remove the window switch, just take a straight blade screwdriver. I want to apply a little bit of pressure to the front of the switch while I push this up. There's little lock tabs here. Just get underneath them there, just like that. And then same with the other side. Release those lock tabs and slide the switch out. Now we'll take the window switch and we're going to put it back into this trim piece. Just line this up and lock it in place. Reinstall this trim piece. Take the electrical connectors, line them up, lock it in place, just like that. And then there's some tabs that should be right here. On this vehicle they broke off. They go right there, so you're going to want to line those up. And then with them lined up, just push it down. Then we'll take this Phillips head screw and a screwdriver. And get that started. Now we'll take this cover, slide it into position.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.